how to pay with Affirm at Walmart. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, you want to shop online at Walmart. You want to go to the website or use the app. Affirm works only for online purchases, not in store. Next, you will add eligible items to your cart. Affirm can be used for big ticket items like TVs, electronics, furniture, outdoor gear, baby products. Items need to be at least $144 or more after taxes and discounts to use Affirm at checkout. This is very important. The third step will be choosing Affirm at checkout. When you're ready to pay, you will go to checkout and select Affirm as your payment method. Next, you will click on Continue to Affirm. The fourth step will be applying with Affirm. You will be redirected to Affirm's site or app. There, you will need to enter your personal info, see your payment plan options, 3, 6, or 12 months, and accept the loan terms. No hidden fees, just monthly payments with interests of or 0% APR if eligible. The fifth step will be completing the order. Once approved, Affirm pays Walmart for your order and you get your items shipped as normal. Affirm then bills you monthly. You can pay through the app, linked bank, or a card, and you can also set up auto pay. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.